Where are you, beta? Sharvari?
Namaste, Amma. I'm here. Sorry for late.
It's okay. Spread the mat.
Yes.
Dandasana. Yesterday we done with
Adho Mukha Svanasana, Virabhadrasana 1, Virabhadrasana 2.
good. Now we are practicing some sitting asanas. We start with Dandasana. Dandasana is the basic sitting pose for all forward bends. Sit on the floor with your legs stretched out. Join your thighs, knees and toes. Place your palm on your floor beside your hips, fingers pointing forward. Look straight. Lock your elbow and straightens your arms. Keep your back straight. Expand your chest and draw your shoulders back. Stretch your legs. Spread the toes of your feet. Stay to 20 to 40 seconds. Breathe evenly. Regular practice of this asana improves your posture. It also good for spinal and leg muscles. Slowly relax your body. Padmasana. Second one is Padmasana. To practice this asana, have some restrictions. If anyone gone through some surgeries or have knees and ankle injuries, they should not practice this asana. Sharvari, you are fit and fine. You can do this asana regularly. Okay? This pose is also called as lotus pose. This is the ultimate pose for meditation. Sit in Dandasana. Bend your right knee, holding your right ankle in foot. Place it high on your left thigh. Then bend your left knee, holding your left ankle in foot. Place it high on your right thigh. Rest the back of your palms and knees. Form a Dhyana Mudra by joining the tips of your thumbs with the index fingers. Sit straight, close your eyes and observe your breath. Breathe normally. Stay in this for off or 1 minute each side. Padmasana refreshes the body and makes mind alert. It teaches us to sit correctly with back straight. Practicing this asana, keep the ankle joints, knees and hip strong and flexible. Return to Dandasana slowly and relax your body. Repeat the pose by crossing your legs other way around, which is with your left leg first. Yes? Form a Dhyana Mudra. Close your eyes. Sit straight. Observe your breath. Breathe normally. Now, slowly open your eyes. Come to Dandasana and relax your body. Vajrasana. Third one is Vajrasana. This asana is also called thunderbolt pose. Like Padmasana, Vajrasana is also meditated pose. Kneel down and sit on your heels. with your hands on your knees. Keep the knees together, heels slightly apart, toes touching each other. Keep your back straight and shoulders relaxed. Close your eyes and observe your breath. Breathe normally. Stay in this asana for 1 to 3 minutes. Increase the duration gradually. Vajrasana helps you to calm your mind, and it is very good asana for your digestive system. Now, slowly open your eyes, come up on your knees and stand up to relax. Very good.
Amma, I have one question.
Free to ask, Sharvari.
Yes. With these simple poses, how can we get health benefits?
Oh, do you believe in your teachers?
Yes.
When I was come to teach you, you were not satisfied with my answers. You believed in your teachers and you accepted what they taught. That's good. There is no replacement of Guru. You also just believe in Yoga Guru Rishi Patanjali and follow his Yoga Vidya. You get treasure box of health benefits.
Definitely, Amma. Thank you.
Okay, pray for the world.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramanyah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhave.